Okay, now let's talk about the Cosori Airfryer. This is a Smart 5.8 quart model. If you have been following me here on my channel, last year I already reviewed also a Cosori Airfryer. Looks similar to this and also has 11 presets buttons, but they have upgraded the model with a smart system. Smart system meaning you can control and also do delay functions, set the countdown not only on the touch screen that you see here, but also on your cell phone. You can do so by using or downloading the VSync software from the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone, or Apple Store if you have an iPhone. So let's try this. I've enlisted the help of my husband to do the demo with me. So first you will use the quick start guide, and on the quick start guide there is that code there that you can scan using your smartphone. So he has a Samsung Galaxy S10 phone, so he's just using the scanning software that's built in with the phone. So he just pressed scan, and then it popped up with the VSync software that he can just download. So he's just going to be pressing that, and then he will just click on this software, and then he will just continue with the download and press install to install the software. So it's pretty quick and pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just follow the screen prompt. So for example, this one marked green here is to open, and then voila, and all he has to do is just sign up with a username and password, and pressing the power button for 5 seconds, it should display with that blinking Wi-Fi symbol on the top of the temperature display. And then we are going to go ahead and add the device to our Wi-Fi network. And so just continue to again follow the prompts on the screen until you get connected. Once you have successfully added the device, you can click the icon, and then it will take you to the Cosori Smart Air Fryer, sort of like a home page, and there you can start cooking. So the 11 presets that you could see on the control LED touchscreen of the device itself, the actual air fryer, is also mimicked on the software or this smart controller on your cell phone. So you can pretty much choose whatever you want depending on what you're going to be cooking. So we're choosing for this demo manual, and then I'm clicking on preheat, and we're preheating at a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and just setting it up there with a timer, and then clicking on start. And it should be doing that also. Whatever you did on the smartphone would reflect on the touchscreen. And then while my husband prepares the food that we're going to be cooking, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it came with. So there are 3 manuals. One was the quick start guide that we used for installation, and then this is the user manual where you can see how to operate also the air fryer itself, the maintenance, etc. And I like this one also that you can join the family, the Cosori family, if you want. That's a pamphlet there. And of course, there's also a cookbook. There are 100 recipes to choose from that you can follow the simple instructions with beautiful photos when you are in need of an idea on what to cook next. After we're done preheating, we pulled out the air fryer pan, and I just want to show you the capacity for comparison. So for example, when you're buying your meat from the grocery, it'll come in this long slab of meat. Of course, you're not going to cook it this way. You would have to slice it. So we're slicing it in half just to show you how big the capacity is. So according to the manual, it can fit actually a 5-pound whole chicken. So you can only imagine how deep this fryer is, and it's just the perfect size as well. So just put it back and then set up the temperature, because my husband has been using the other Cosori air fryer and he knows exactly the temperature to use. So we're still at manual settings, and he said put it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And then click on cook now, and there's your timer, 25. And as you can see, there are buttons to stop it manually too if you feel like you want to stop it, but we're just going to give it time to cook because again, my husband is used to using the other Cosori. It's similar, very similar. The only addition is the smart functionality or the Wi-Fi connection. So let's see here. After it's done cooking for 25 minutes, we're going to flip it up. Look at how crunchy it is. And he's just going to flip it over, and we're going to be cooking it for another 7 or 8 minutes more. Putting back the fryer in, and you should be hearing a click to indicate that it's locked. So there's a safety feature there. So now he's going to be using the touchscreen because he just wants to kind of show you how it's used using the touchscreen, the LED touchscreen. So he's lowering the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as lowering the time to 8 minutes. And then he's just going to press the play button there, or play icon, and then that's it. Now that it's done, we're now going to take out the meat. Should be ready. So total of 32 minutes for a half a slab of pork, and it's cooked to perfection. I know because my husband has done this several times with the other Cosori air fryer. And he's letting the meat rest on top of the cutting board for a few minutes before he cuts it so that the juice will be trapped in. Anyway, here's how it looks like once you slice it, and voila, tender and juicy. It's cooked to perfection. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. I think the advantage of having a smart capability, to me, it's not really a necessity for us. We're so used to cooking and staying in the kitchen. But those who may be so busy and you're alone and you're probably doing the laundry, and you know it takes 5 minutes to load up the laundry, at the same time you can preheat your Cosori system with your smartphone, provided you're within the network. Okay, the same Wi-Fi network. So this is our first Cosori, and we are cooking up the other meat here. For more information on the Cosori Air Fryer Smart 5.8 quart, you can go ahead and check in the description box. There is a link there to the product. Go ahead and click that, and you will see it'll direct you to the link to where to purchase if you're interested or to learn more about it. So hope you all have a great day, and thank you for joining me here on this review. I'll be uploading my next DIY in a bit. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.